Hello guys, welcoming you to this YouTube channel. In case you are watching this video and you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so for you to get new updates from this channel. So in this video today, you will get to know how you can create your Google AdMore account. How you can create your Google AdMore account. That is, you create your banner ID, your INT ID, your reward and others. So now let's get started. The first thing we'll be doing here now is to open our browser. We are going to open our browser, and the browser I'm using is Brave. I'm using Brave browser. So let me click on my browser. So this is my Brave browser. Let me just type Google AdMore. Google AdMore. Yeah, as you can see, this is the results that came out for Google AdMore. So let me just click on this mobile app monetization. Yeah, so you click on get started. So from here you click on create accounts. You create accounts for myself. You click on for myself. So this is the form. You fill in your first name, your last name, and your email address. Let me quickly do that. It is very advisable to create a new Gmail account to create this Google AdMore. It's very necessary you create a new account for this Google AdMore account. Let me just input my password. So from here we are going to enter our Gmail, the one we want to use for the Google AdMore account. But it's very advisable for us to use a new created Gmail. It's very advisable to use a new created Gmail. So if you have your Gmail already, so you can input it. So let me input mine now and click on next. So I will input my password now. So this is the next page. So you scroll down and select your country. I'm selecting Nigeria. Nigeria. Time zone. I'm using Lagos. Billing currency. I'm using Naira for billing currency. Naira. Yeah. So click on agree to terms and create your account. So this is the next page. I'll just click on. They're asking us if we want customized app and performance suggestion. So I'm clicking on all. Yes. Verify your account. Okay. What I'm doing right now is I'm trying to verify my mobile number. They're trying to verify my mobile number, so they asked me to enter the PIN. So let me just verify the PIN. Yes, account has been created successfully. So let me continue to add more. So from here, you click on get started. Let me just click on get started. So from this screen, they are asking us to choose whether we are using iOS or Android. As for me, I'm using Android. I'm clicking on Android. Okay. So is the app listed on a supported app store? No, it's no for now. So we've not yet uploaded our app on Play Store. So we are clicking on no. So click on continue. So it's asking us for app names. Click here. You can put any name. You can put any name. Let me pull off here. So let me add. Click on add app. So we are creating our AD units now. We are creating our AD units. As you can see, this is our earning so far. This is our earning so far. Let me just add AD units. So this is there. As you can see, there is banner there. There is and all. I will just click on select under banner. I'll click on select under banner. So I'll enter the AD unit there. You can put any name. Let me just put banner 1. Create AD units. Yes, our AD unit has been created successfully. Our AD unit has been created successfully. So I will not click done yet because I'm still creating another one. Let me create another AD unit. Let me create INT. So let's create INT. You can put int1 as name, create. Yes, let me click on done. I can come back and create others, but let me click on done for now. As you can see, we have our banner ID already and INT ID already. If you want to copy it or copy this thing, you need to copy this thing and save it somewhere. So save it somewhere. All we need to do is to click on click on this more icon to copy it. Likewise this one too. So copy it somewhere. Our Google AdMore account has been created successfully. But before I conclude this video, the reason why we are creating Google AdMore accounts is because the, that's what link the the ID, the ID, the banner ID that was generated earlier. That's what we are going to put inside our app. So guys, the banner ID created earlier, that's what we'll be using to create our app. So I will be dropping a video very soon about how you can create a self-clicking app. You'll be doing the self-clicking yourself, how you can create and use it to generate money through Google AdMore. So stay tuned as I upload the video. Subscribe to this channel for you to get updates about new videos. Thank you.